Good morning, student. Today we will start our second chapter in companion, that is, which is the chapter that is weather and season. Now, student, it is very captivating, engrossing chapter because in this chapter you have to create new ideas for making new things. Okay, student. Now, before starting this chapter, I will explain what is weather. So, student, the weather is the state of air around us at a particular time and place is called weather. What is weather? The weather of air, the state of air around us at a particular time and place is called weather. Now, student, the weather of a particular place depends on temperature, the moisture in the air, climate, humidity, and precipitation. Got it, everyone? The weather of a particular place it depends on temperature, moisture in the air, climate, humidity, and precipitation. Okay, student? So, represent a different type of weather with suitable symbols. One is done for you. Different types of weather. How many different types of weather? Snowy day, rainy day, cloudy, sunny. These are the different type of weather. And represent suitable symbols. They represent. See, they have the so many symbols. So one already here. It show the sunny day. Sorry, it is show the snowy day and three blanks are there: rainy day, cloudy day, and sunny day. So, student, make suitable symbols and draw it here. Okay? Now, move on. Next page. Now, student, here is forecast the weather. To student, weather forecasting tell us how the weather will be an hour, the next day, or the next week. And this is done using technology. Students, forecast the weather. So, weather forecasting tell us how the weather will be an hour, the next day, or the next week. This is done using technology. Okay, students? So, here question is how was the weather yesterday? कल का वेदर कैसा था? हाउ इज द वेदर टुडे? आज का कैसा है? कैन यू प्रिडिक्ट हाउ द वेदर विल बी टुमारो? क्या आप बता सकते हैं, क्या आप भविष्यवाणी कर सकते हैं कि कल मौसम वेदर कैसा रहेगा? राइट योर आंसर इन द टेबल. ओके, सो यस्टरडे 35 oblique 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, this yesterday's temperature. Okay, today 28 degrees Celsius, sunny, and partly cloudy. Clear? Okay. Now tomorrow 36 25 degree Celsius, mostly sunny and very warm with hazy sunshine. Okay, tomorrow very warm with hazy sunshine. Clear? Okay. Now question. Explain your reasons for tomorrow's weather forecast. Tomorrow weather forecast का explain करना है, your reason बताना है. So student, weather forecasts are made by collecting as much data as possible about the current state of the atmosphere. What is the current state of the atmosphere? Particularly the temperature, humidity, wind, okay, and the moisture in the air, okay. So, and using understanding of atmospheric process to determine how the atmosphere evolve in the future. I am repeating this. Weather forecasts are made by collecting as much data as possible about the current state of the atmosphere and using understanding of atmospheric process to determine how the atmosphere evolve in the future. Got it? Okay, student. Now move on next page. It is project time. In team, create a new object that can be used during extreme weather condition. So student, in this time, we don't have a team, don't have a friend because of corona. It doesn't matter. You create your new ideas yourself. Okay. For example, cooler cap, a cap with a fan attached to keep us cool in summer. Now second, water bottle umbrella. An umbrella with a bottle attached inside carry juice or hot water when it is sunny or raining. So student, name of the object. आप जो object बना रहे हैं, जो theme आप सोच रहे हैं, write it down. For example, I will write it here, watering can. Watering can. The season in which it can be used, summer season. Special feature is cane with holes and we made it in home ourselves. Okay, now who do you think will use this most? Take your answer. आपके अकॉर्डिंग जो हमने वाटरिंग केन बनाई है वो कौन सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ करेगा? तो सीनियर सिटीजन एंड स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज वी आर फ्री दिस टाइम ना, दैट्स वाई. Okay students, so create your new ideas and give the response students, because it is very interesting activity. Okay, now students, move on next page. I can. Here is I care. Student, this page do yourself, take the answer yourself, no one help you and you don't need to help. Okay student, it is very easy, it is very interesting for you. So give the answer yourself beta. Tick the boxes to show how you care for your surrounding. Clear? Now first question. On a rainy day, I make sure my umbrella does not hit or hurt the people walking near me. Understand the question? On a rainy day, I make sure my umbrella does not hit or hurt the people walking near me. Yes, no, or sometime. Now, second, I make sure my umbrella is dry before I keep it back in its place. What is the question? I make sure my umbrella is dry before I keep it back in its place. Yes, no, and sometime. Third, I drink more water during summer and also offer it to other. Yes, no, sometime. What is the question here? I drink more water during summer and also offer it to other. Fourth, I provide water and shelter to stray animal. Students, here word is stray. It means unplaced. Unplaced यानी भटक जाना, खो जाना. It is stray. एनिमल्स अपने घर भूल जाते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं stray animals. So I provide water and shelter to stray animals during extreme weather condition. Yes, no, or sometime. Now fifth is, during summer I keep a bowl of water outside for birds to drink. During summer I keep a bowl of water outside for birds to drink. Yes, no, or sometime. So student, these are the very excellent and interesting activities. Do yourself. Thank you for listening me.